In this lesson, we are going to insert a clip into the timeline. Suppose I have a new clip and I want to insert it somewhere in the middle of my timeline. So far in this course, when we've created new clips, we've recorded new clips, we've always dragged them to the end of the prior clip. But what if we want to put it somewhere in the middle? Suppose I wanted to insert a new clip between this clip and this one. Well, how do we do that? Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create some space. So I'm going to take the playhead and move it in between the two clips, the insertion point. I'm going to click on the bottom end of the playhead, drag and drop. It doesn't really matter how far I move it. I just want to create a good amount of space. Now I can take my new clip, drag and drop it into place. And then now I need to close the gap. I've got two choices. I can simply click on the clips, drag and drop it, or I can move the playhead to the beginning and click the bottom of the playhead and then drag it to the left. So those are two ways that I could move these clips, and now I'm done. I have inserted the new clip somewhere in the middle instead of adding it to the end. And that is how to insert a clip.